Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm here to answer a question many of you have been asking me. That's why I decided to record this video to talk all about LIV PURE, this product that's been all over the internet. So if you're curious to know if it really works, stick with me until the end because I'm going to tell you the whole truth. And it might not even be the right product for you. Plus, I'll share 2 super important warnings. Let's dive in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm your Maria, and I discovered LIV PURE some time ago. It's unlike anything I've ever tried before. But here's the big question. Does it actually work? Let me break it down for you. First, what makes LIV PURE so special? It's formulated with an advanced blend of super nutrients and Mediterranean plants that help optimize your liver function. And that makes all the difference. After all, the liver is essential for detoxifying your body and burning fat efficiently. It's like turning on turbo mode for your metabolism. The first thing you need to know is where to buy it. Since LIV PURE is becoming so popular, unfortunately, there are a lot of fake versions being sold out there. So be careful. For your safety, only purchase from the official website, which is the only place where you'll get the authentic product and a satisfaction guarantee. I'll leave the link to the official website down below in the video description, okay? That way you won't risk falling for any scams. So what makes LIV PURE so effective? It has 2 main complexes in its formula, the liver purification complex and the liver fat burning complex. These ingredients work together to help detoxify your liver, removing toxins that slow down your metabolism, boost fat burning, including those stubborn fats like belly fat, improve energy levels and promote healthy, sustainable weight loss. And the best part, it's 100% natural, easy to use, causes no side effects, and is approved by the highest quality standards. In other words, no worries at all. Now, the second warning, LIV PURE isn't a magic pill, okay? It's a powerful supplement, but results are progressive. In the first month, you'll notice more energy, less food cravings, and some initial weight loss. However, the most noticeable results, like significant fat reduction, really kick in after 2 or 3 months of consistent use. So, to get the best outcome, make sure to complete the full treatment. By the way, the official website offers discounts for multi-bottle purchases. Definitely worth checking out. Oh, and one more important thing. LIV PURE comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you use it and don't like the results, the manufacturer will refund your money within 60 days. This just shows how much they trust the product. Well, I hope I've helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll make sure to reply to everyone. And don't forget, the link to the official website is in the video description. Big hugs, take care, and see you next time. Are you ready to start your transformation today? Click the link below, grab your LIV PURE at the special launch price, and get started. Don't wait. These offers won't last forever. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips like these. Let's make your goals happen together.